Hey there, real estate enthusiasts. Let's talk about a game changer, listing and selling rental properties like a pro. We all know top agents excel at showcasing homes for buyers, right? But what if you're dealing with premier rental properties? Think duplexes, triplexes, and those perfect for short term rentals. It's time for a tailored approach that speaks the investor language. Here's the scoop: if you're ready to ace marketing investment properties, here's the playbook for you. First off, understand what buyers want. For home buyers, you already know how to tailor your pitch. Families, you highlight schools and safety. Trendy condos, talk about the neighborhood. But when it's a rental property, it's all about that rental income. Toss out the lifestyle language. When it's a rental, highlight the cash flow potential. That's the star of the show. Push the expected market rent to the front and center of your listing. Worried about estimating market rent? It's simpler than you think. MLS and comps work wonders for value. You just need to do the same for rent. A great tool at your disposal is BiggerPockets Rent Estimator. It's a lifesaver. And if we're talking short-term rental investors, for example, Airbnb, AirDNA has a lock on annual rental income estimates. Bonus tip: if the property already has leased units, keep in mind many investors love untapped potential. Flash both current lease details, especially if they're low, and market rent. This is a siren call to investors seeking rental income. Secondly, remember that investors are buzzing online, seeking knowledge, connection, and deals. When you're listing that investment property, think beyond the usual suspects like MLS and Zillow. It's vital to get familiar with spaces that investors frequent. Here are a few that can help. Number one, BiggerPockets, the epicenter of online real estate investing with 1.5 million members and counting. Get acquainted with the forums on there to mingle with investors, share listing, crunch deals, and soak in market data. BiggerPockets is the spot for both seasoned and budding investors. Number two, Facebook groups. Facebook is the perfect place to scout real estate investment groups, both local and nationwide. Join these targeted communities where deal sharing and strategy chats are ubiquitous and easy to find. Post your listings in these communities to catch investors' attention. Number three, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is important to create investor-focused presence. Link up with real estate pros and fellow investors. Slide into real estate groups like Real Estate Investors, Real Estate Investing Network, and Real Estate Investment Association. Property listings on there too. Rental property buyers are all about professionalism, and LinkedIn is their playground. Third in our real estate agent guide is to make sure you know that investor buyers are laser focused on cash flow and income, making rental potential or lack thereof a deal breaker. That's where you come in. If there are any rental roadblocks like permits or restrictions, you've got to be on top of it. A missed detail could mean a missed opportunity. If you have a listing that's ready to go as a rental, you can score major points by showcasing its full rental potential. Beat out the competition and give your clients the upper hand by staying apprised on rental rules and regulations within your market. Here are some of the most important regulations to familiarize yourself with. One is zoning classification and allowed uses. Get acquainted with zoning classifications. Whether it's residential, commercial, or even a mix, know the rules. Multifamily properties, investors love those extra units. Also, make sure you take a peek at occupancy, parking, and density limits. Number two, HOA terms. If there's a homeowners association in the mix, be sure to understand those covenants, conditions, and restrictions. Look for rental policies, leasing rules, fees, or any bans on short-term rentals. Investors are not a fan of too many tenant rules. Number three, local short-term rental ordinances. Short-term rentals like Airbnb, make sure to check those local ordinances on rental links, permits, noise levels, and taxes. Stay in the know about any STR snags that might inhibit your clients. The recent STR regulation shakeup in Dallas, Texas is a great example of the importance of knowing your market inside and out. So keep your finger on the pulse as rules rapidly change in this game. The fourth tip in this guide is that investors speak a very niche language, and you, the agent, can master it with ease. Get fluent in these real estate investing terms and dazzle those investors like a pro. Let's talk through some of the terms as a basis for getting started. Number one, cash on cash returns. This magic formula measures yearly cash flow against the total cash invested. It's your ticket to estimating rental return. Property's net operating income divided by total cash invested. It's as simple as that. Number two, debt service coverage ratio. DSCR, DSCR, DSCR. This is the ratio of rental income to expenses. Think PITIA. Principal, interest, taxes, insurance, association dues. A DSCR above 1? Wonderful. Positive monthly cash flow. Number three, return on investment. Investors' favorite trick. ROI is an investor's earnings minus expenses divided by purchase price and improvements. Use it to size up different investment opportunities. Becoming fluent in investor terminology isn't just smart. It's a total game changer. If you can accurately speak the investor dialect, you can and will generate higher return on your listings. Lastly, let's discuss financing. Every agent seeks seamless real estate deals that all involved parties can count on. Reliable financing is the secret sauce that makes it all possible. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or a deal maker, trust in financing is the name of the game. The best agents have a secret weapon: trusted lenders they can send buyers and sellers to with confidence. Many investors are missing out on epic lending opportunities for rental properties. They might incorrectly believe they need all cash or fit strict mortgage standards. This is exactly why investor-friendly lenders like Easy Street Capital are changing the game. Our DSCR loan product is perfect for rental property buyers. Easy qualification, no income checks, and no DTI stress. It's all about property potential. Here's the best part: you, as a real estate agent, can earn referral fees while acing rental property transactions. Even under RESPA regulations, these referral fees are fully legitimate. Easy Street Capital offers agents half a point in referral fees through our groundbreaking program. If you want more tips and tricks just like this, hit the like and subscribe and check out our page. Happy listing!